In this video, I'll show you how to create a username and manage your System.io account. First, go to System.io and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email, create a strong password, and set up your username. Pick something professional and easy to remember since it will be tied to your account. After confirming your email, you'll be logged into your new dashboard. From here, head to your profile settings. This is where you can update your username, change your password, and add details like your business name or contact info. Make sure everything matches your brand so your site looks professional. Next, explore the Account Settings tab. Here you can connect your custom domain, set up payment gateways if you plan to sell, and even manage email integrations. Always double-check these settings because they directly affect how your website and funnels run. Finally, keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and updating your password regularly. That's a quick overview of creating and managing your System.io account. Subscribe